This 2025 Venture RV Stratus is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features a desert interior, sleeps 10, awning, LP detector, microwave, TV antenna, water heater, stovetop burner, skylight, TV, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Venture RV Stratus is 6,830 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.